These has delivered. So we got 10 pounds of potatoes. Okay, let's see. We got some garlic bread, and I'm gonna put up as I go. Where's the meats? Where's the meats? Okay. So we got 4 of these. I gotta find the other one. Have you ever tried these little quick dinners? We're gonna see what it do, Frozen veggies. Some cheese. We got some frozen broccoli. Frozen veggies. We got some fish, some boneless, skinless chicken breast. This is the new household favorite, y'all. Try it. Okay. We got some yogurt for my baby KK. We got some rice. Got some barbecue sauce. Some ranch. Some ketchup. Alfredo sauce. Okay, so we trying this 0 net carb wraps, high in fiber, 0 sugar. So that'd be good with some chicken wraps or some steak wraps. Okay, got some canned milk. You getting everything, Johnson?
Yep.
Got some more salmon, some corned beef hash. Got some veggies. I know y'all don't like canned, but we got some canned. Some cream of mushroom, another salmon. Trying to hurry up, y'all. Okay. So I'm deciding what to cook for dinner. I got this beef shaved steak. We can either do that in the wraps or do the chicken in the wraps. So what I'm gonna do is only leave one out and freeze the other one. I'm not sure yet what they're gonna have. I'm gonna have the leftovers. And this is Alfredo chicken, y'all. Quick meals when no one feel like cooking. And I got some ground beef. I have to organize that better. We got some more ground beef. Yeah, and I already had a few left meats from last shopping haul. And y'all, I know they lying. I thought this was the long pack of salmon. This is not what I wanted. I wanted the long pack of salmon. Wow. Well, it is what it is. Remember these pretzels, y'all, when we was a kid? Our mother used to put these in the oven and make it for us. So good. Chicken nugget. But I'm upset about that salmon. Another bag of chicken breast. That got me upset. Yeah, these are so good for breakfast. Not organized, but hey, we're gonna have to. Get some more yogurt for the other baby. French toast sticks. Yeah, I think I got too much and I can't even. I'm gonna have to organize that. Let me close this. I'm gonna have to organize that. We got the budget butter. I want to leave that out. All right. We got some good spring mix. Tomatoes. Some onions. Some green pepper. Some cucumbers. Mixed bell pepper. This is the shredded lettuce for the wraps. We got some whole wheat bread. We got 2 eggs. We got some syrup. We got some seasoning, y'all. Some garlic powder. Onion powder. Paprika. And what is this? I'm gonna try this. It says Sazon seasoning. Some more corned beef hash. Yep, some more cans, some corn. Cream of chicken. Canned milk. Some more canned goods. Canned goods. And corned beef hash. I think I got 4 of these. Whew. Shoot, it's a lot of work. God. They got other sausage. And my baby wanted turkey sausage. Turkey bacon. And I did get some more frozen veggies. Another fish. This is spicy chicken patties. This will make a good quick sandwich. I just got another pack of the garlic chicken fat quick meal. And this is another Alfredo chicken. Wait, I'm missing another pack of bacon. I think I got 4. I need to check my list. I'm missing another pack of bacon. I got 4 bacons. Okay, and I got some for you freezer bags. Some pancake mix. Some sugar. So we end up going picking up a few fruit.